sky.
That was a long hike, very tiring. Here we go, Lake Bled. Check it, check it.
That is Phat climbs anything.
Keep your distance. No stopping on the track. Leave the track immediately.
How do you eject?
Eject.
Nobody looks
John,
very
tell us what
excited.
happened in your drone today.
It wanted to test its amphibious abilities. It thought it was like a 007 drone, you know, where it could fly and then turns into a submarine and dives into the water and then films all the fishes underwater. And the water was so clear. And it was like, let me go underwater, let me go underwater. I was like, okay, go underwater.
It's in a better place.
And it went underwater.
Living. Okay, don't lose it. Have fun.
Are you ready for this?
Yes. So romantic.
Oh, this is gonna be fun. I hope it's cooler up there.
The great prophet Rick Steves says that this is one of the fastest Rodelbahns he's ever been on.
Really?
Yes, he said it's very steep for a Rodelbahn.
It is. It does look pretty steep.
With your, you know, I'm a arms girl. Like the big guns.
Hey, Aiden!
Yeah.
You must
Okay.
stop to finish.
Here we go. Oh boy. I'm gonna turn it around. Oh! Ah! Yeah! Oh! 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 Okay. Oh! 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 Oh yeah, that's good stuff.
What'd you do with them?
Nice Stiegel Weiss. Awesome! All right, the ladies and the children have rented stand-up paddle boards here, and Mr. John and I were gonna sit down and fly the drone and have some beer. So we found some craft beer here. St. Vern Black IPA, Kolichina, 6.9%. Looks like a dragon. They're big on dragons here in Slovenia. Let's take a taste. That's good. Lots of hops. And Slovenia is known for growing their hops, but we're not by the hop region here. I don't know where the hop region is, but yeah, that's really good. So, cheers. We got some hail.
We got hail. Hail in Slovenia.
Oh, hail in July too. Is that it? No more hail? Thunder and lightning.
Thunder and lightning.
Thunderstorm.
And fever.
And Pivo. So the kids are
Lost.
the kids and the moms are somewhere on the water over there. We're having some beers, some Pivo. And these kids are trying to play ping pong in the rain. We're getting some good local honey. Kralov med. Med means honey in Slovenian. We figured that out. Here we go.
Let's walk by the bees. They look cool.
Oh wow, be careful.
It's not like they're gonna sting us.
They might sting you. Are you scared?
No.
We have three different sorts of honey. This is the spruce, this is acacia, and this is the forest. It's a mixture of linden, like linden, this is linden tree, and flowers in the forest. Yeah? So the more lighter it is, doesn't have that much of aroma. Yeah? More darker the honeys are, more aromatic they are. So you can feel more aroma. Yeah? Pollen, yeah? Won't crystallize that faster. So
Oh, I like that one.
a lot of people
That was
think
better?
because it's crystallized.
I like those.
I like the spruce. Okay, hold it. Can we buy some spruce? What do you have?
Enjoy.
Thank you.
So this one is for different heights because how do you know?
Apple tree.
Daddy, the car's right here.
I know, I'm looking at the apple tree, bro.
If you're filming me, I'm gonna put a smile on my face.
You always have a smile on your face. Always.
I'm looking at the menu right now for the restaurant.
Let's see what it looks like.
Looks good. Look, Bohinj trout with potatoes and spinach.
That looks good. Trout.
Look at this, pork tenderloin and mushroom sauce with cheese dumpling.
Wiener schnitzel, pork roast.
Wiener schnitzel, dudes.
We got some Wiener schnitzel. Turkey Wiener schnitzel. Look at that. You get free ketchup, you don't have to pay for it.
I got Bohinj trout with potatoes and spinach.
Oh yeah. Wow. This is the pork roast with sauerkraut. This looks good.
These are potatoes, not sauerkraut.
Potatoes. John, what's that?
That is some kind of a sausage.
Carnelian
Sausage with sauerkraut and looks like a risotto even.
Ist der Wiener Schnitzel.
Wiener Schnitzel?